learn basic concept in factorization. Uh, how to do algebra multiplication. How to do, look at this. Here I have the variable x. Here I have the variable x. How to do algebra multiplication. How to multiply this variable. How to multiply these variables. Both variables are x. Both the variables are x. So you can do. Just I am writing x. Next, you just add the powers. 3 plus 2, which is x power 5. Next, look at this, a power 2 into a power 3. Check the variables. Here I have variable a. Here I have the variable a. So, just I am writing a. Next, you have to add the powers. Clear? A power 2 plus 3, which is a power 5. This is algebra multiplication. In this way, you have to do multiplication in algebra. Clear? Next, we are going to multiply this term and this term. This term has x power 3 y and this term has x power 4. Look at this. Here I have x. Here I have x. So, I am just writing x. Next, you are going to add the powers. So, x power 3 plus 4. Clear? Now, I multiplied this x power 3 and x power 4. So, next, I have y. This term doesn't have y. We have y in the first term only. So, I am just writing y as it is. So, the final answer x power 7 y. Clear? Next, a power 3 b into b power 4. Clear? We are going to do multiplication of this term and this term. First, this term has a. I am just writing a power 3. Next, move on to the next term. This term doesn't have a. So, just write a power 3. We finished this one. Next, I have b in this term. So, I am writing b. Then, check the second term. This term also having b. So, 1 plus 4. I am just adding the powers. So, the final answer a power 3, b power 5. In algebra multiplication, you have to add the powers. You have to add the powers. Clear? Okay, next, this is the second concept called factor. Okay, how to find factor of 8 and 10. What is the common divisor of 8 and 10? That is called as what is the common divisor of 8 and 10? 8 is divisible by 2, 4 and 8. Clear? Next, 10. 10 is divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 5, 10 is divisible by 10. So, the factor of 8 is 2, 4 and 8. Okay. The factor of 10 is 2, 5, 10. You have to write the divisor. So, the divisor of 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 4, 8 is divisible by 8. So, these are the factors of 8. Clear? Next, 10 is divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 5, 10 is divisible by 10. So, these are factors of 10. So, what is the common factor of 8 and 10? Common. This 8 is also divided by 2. 10 is also divided by 2. So, 2 is the common factor of 8 and 10. So, 8 is also divided by 2. 10 is also divided by 2. This is the common factor of 8 and 10. What is the common factor of 9 and 27? What is the common factor of 9 and 27? First, you have to find the factor of 9. Okay. 9 is divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 9 table. Clear? Next, what is the factor of 27? 3. Next, 27 is divisible by 9 table. Then 27 divisible by themselves. Okay. So, the factor of 9 is 9 divisible by 3. 9 is divisible by 9. Next, what is the factor of 27? 27 divided by 3, 27 divided by 9, 27 divided by 27. Look at this. What is the common factor of 9 and 27? Both the numbers divided by 3, both the numbers divided by 9. So, the common factors of 9 and 27, which is 3, 9. Both the numbers divided by 3 as well as divided by 9. So, 3 and 9 are common factors of these numbers. Find the factor of 8x power 2 plus 6x power 2. First take the numerical value 8 and 6. Clear? Take the numerical value. This term has 8, this term has 6. Find the common factor of 8 and 6. What is the common factor? 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 4, 8 is divisible by 8. 6. 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 6. So what are the common factors? The factors of 8 is 2, 4 and 8. The factors of 6 is 2, 3, 6. What is the common factor? 2. Clear? So the common factor of 8 and 6 is 2. I am taking 2 out. Next move on to the variable. Both the term have the variable x. Here also I have x. So I am just taking x out. Next check the power. Here I have 2. Here also I have 2. So just I am writing 2. Next. What number I have to multiply with 2 to get 8? What number I should multiply with 2 to get 8? 2 4s are 8. So I am just writing 4. Clear? Next come to the variable. 2 4s are 8. Here I have x power 2. Here also I have x power 2. So there is no need to multiply any variable. Then here I have plus symbol. So I am just drop the plus symbol. Next I have the numerical value 6. Next here I have 2. What number I have to multiply with 2 to get 6? 3. So 2 3s are 6. Next move on to the variable. Here I have x power 2. Here I have x power 2. So there is no need to multiply any variable. So the final value is factor of 8x power 2 plus 6x power 2 is 2x power 2 of 4 plus 3. This is the factor of this one. Next we are going to find the factor of 12x power 2 and 16y power 3. First take the numerical value. This term has 12, this term has 16. What is the common divisor of 12 and 16? 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 3, 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 6 and 12 is divisible by 12. Next move on to 16. 16 is divisible by 2 and 4 and 8 and 16. Clear? What is the common divisor? 2 is the common divisor. 4 is also a common divisor. Clear? 2 and 4. Both the numbers are common divisor of 12 and 16. We have to take the bigger number. So I am taking 4. Clear? Common divisor of 12 and 16 is 4. Both the numbers are divided by 4. I have two common factors 2 and 4, but we have to take the bigger value. So I am taking 4. Next we are moving to the variable part. Here I have x, here I have y. They are not alike terms. They are different variables. So we cannot take a common variable. Okay. Now what number I have to multiply with 4 to get the number 12? 3. So I am just writing 3. 4 3s are 12. Next move to the variable part. Here I have only 4. So what variable I have to multiply? 12 into x power 2. Look at this. I have 12. What variable I have to multiply so that I get 12 x power 2? Here I have 12. What variable I have to multiply to get 12 x power 2? X power 2. What? Because we have only numerical value 12. So we have to multiply x power 2. So I am just writing x power 2. Now multiply both the term. 4 3s are 12. Next x power 2. Clear? Next I have plus symbol. I just draw pause plus symbol. Next, what number I have to multiply with 4 to get the number 16? 4 4s are 16. So I am just writing 4. Clear? Next move on to the variable part. Here I have y power 3. There is no y power 3 as a common factor. So I am just writing y power 3. So this is the factor of this term. Find the common divisor of 25 and 15. Check the numerical value. 25. This term has 15. Find the common divisor. 25 is divided by 5 and 25 which is divided by 25. Next 15. 15 is divided by 3. 15 is divided by 5 and 15 is divided by 15. So what are the common divisor of 25 and 15? both the number 5 is the common divisor. Clear? So I'm writing 5. 5 is the common divisor of 25 and 15. So I'm just writing 5. Next, take the variable. Here I have m, here I have m. So I'm just writing m. And here I have 2, here I have 3. The powers are different. You have to take the small power. Clear? So I am taking 2. 2 is the smallest value compared to 3. So I am taking 2. Clear? Now 5. What number I have to multiply with 5 to get the value 25, which is 5. So I am just writing 5. Clear? Next move to 5 into 5, 25. We finished. Next, here I have m power 2. Here I have m power 2. So there is no need to multiply any variable. This part we finished. Move on to the next term. So here I have plus. I'm just dropping plus. Here I have 5. What number I have to multiply with 5 to get this 15? 3. 5 3s are 15. Clear? So I finished the numerical value. Move on to the variable part. Here I have m power 3. Here we have m power 2. So what variable I have to multiply with m power 2 to get the value of m power 3? This is multiplication. In multiplication, we should add the powers. Clear? Here I have m power 2. I want m power 3. So we should add power 1. So m power 1. So I am just writing m. M power 2 into, look at this, m power 2 into m power 3. How to do this? We just add, when the variables are same, you have to add the powers. So which is m power 5. Clear? So now multiply that 5 into 5, which is 25. M power 2 plus 5 3s are 15. M power 2 into m. Here I have 1. Just add the powers. 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this is the factor of this term. Clear?